At Harvard, a student named Alex found that long hours of studying did not always bring good results. One day, he met 3 friends, Lisa, James, and Karen, who shared 4 study techniques that changed their academic lives. Lisa explained active recall. Instead of reading her notes many times, she would close her book and ask herself questions about the topic. This simple habit made her memory stronger and helped her understand the lessons better. James used spaced repetition. He broke his study time into small sessions spread out over several days. By reviewing his notes regularly, he kept old lessons fresh in his mind. Using flashcards, James built his knowledge little by little. Karen shared her secret, interleaving. Instead of studying one subject for hours, she mixed different topics in one session. This way, she learned to see links between subjects and kept her mind active. She found that switching topics helped her learn faster and with less stress. All 4 friends also practiced self-testing. They made short quizzes and practice tests to check what they had learned. Self-testing helped them find out which parts they understood and which needed more work. Alex started using these 4 techniques. He asked questions like Lisa, reviewed his work over time like James, mixed his study topics like Karen, and tested himself often. Soon, his grades improved, and he felt more confident. Alex and his friends learned that studying smart is more important than studying long. Their simple habits show that active recall, spaced repetition, interleaving, and self-testing can help anyone succeed, even at a tough school like Harvard.